Hitting the road for a 2-night camping trip. Oh. That air is delicious.
Bendeela. What are you looking for? WAMBATS? See some?
Alright, there she is. All ready to rock and roll. Got the swag. Therefore, little table. Got this bag with all the food and stuff. Little chair. Hitting the road for a 2-night camping trip down to Kangaroo Valley, to this pretty cool campground. I've always wanted to head down there. Alright, just leaving Bungendore, filled up with fuel. I have to reset the odometer because I've got no fuel gauge, and when she starts spluttering I hit it in reserve. Only 200 k's riding to the destination, so enjoy the ride. Let's go. Turn it up. Alright, just had to stop quickly. She's warmed up, changed my jacket, and oh yeah, it's so much better. These will probably give me a headache actually. Fuck this off. Fuck those off. Pitch tops, hills, oh look at that. Nice sweeping corners. Oh, that's a great view.
A few moments later.
Oh, fucking shit! Needs to be a fucking sign there, man. Fucking hell. Fuck, oh, fucking hell. Fucking pull up here. Maybe it was fucking worse than I thought, so kind of half jumped up when I fucking saw the cunt. Fuck. I think right, fucking. Ooh. Yeah, sounds fucking right. I think anything. The joys of fucking riding, eh? So, a little update on our trip. 50 minutes from destination, so we're only about probably 20 minutes from Nowra actually. We've got some time to kill. There's an aviation joint I want to go to. We'll go check it out. And I think it's down this way. I'll stop here for a sec. Oh, alright, we're going to turn around. I've never been here before.
Although the A4 has been described as a flying brick, it is a highly maneuverable aircraft which has surprised many an opponent and has banged a few unwary passengers' heads against the canopy during high-speed maneuvers in the two-seat trainers.
Target destroyed. Charlie 23 double leader, returning to home plate.
Don't realise the scale of these. The size of that beast. Jindivic, Aboriginal for the Hunted One, was a recoverable pilotless target drone operated from the Jervis Bay Range for over 20 years. Alright, leaving the museum, then the Fleet Air Arm Museum in Nowra, near the airport there. We're hitting the road to Bendeela Campground. Kangaroo Valley, baby, left up here. As we can see the sign, left B73, we come, baby. Turn some tunes up.
So it's all open here. What kind of trees?
Fucking bins there. Oh, that's a fucking pretty good spot there. What's up here? It's down here.
Can't get any further. But yeah, it's not bad here. Got some trees. I think the sun will set that way. Rise that way. So we made it to Bendeela. Found a pretty good camp spot. There's heaps of people here. Most of them aren't even under a tree or in the shade really. They're all in the main entrance there in the sun, but they got warnings and all that sort of stuff. But I just pretty much rode all the way through as far as I could go and found a bit of shade here next to the fence here, as you can see behind me. And I can walk through that fence down there and hit the river straight down there. Like no one over here, which is good. A couple of campers just over there. And so this is probably, you know, one of the better spots I can find. Maybe over there under that tree is probably a good, not bad spot. But here, the sun's going to set behind me. Unfortunately, the sun will rise that way. Beach. For landing. Can I get him? Oh, what's that? Yeah, fucking log there. Yeah, look at that fucking. That's not a fucking log. What the fuck is it? It's a fucking pipe. Okay, so I'm just here lying in the swag. Been reading this book, Elspeth Beard Lone Rider. It's pretty good. Haven't finished it from my last little camping adventure tour to the Snow Mountains. But down here, check this out. I don't know if you can see. People. So they're all here because they're fucking wombats. So do not camp right up the end if you come here. But that's pretty good. Just going for a bit of a walk because they're all looking at wombats when I'm camping, all these people, and I go to the toilet and going for a walk back in the bush. So it's almost dark. You can kind of tell with your flashlight, maybe. Go say that. What are you looking for? Wombats? You see some? See a few? Yeah. Oh, a lot? Oh, really? Alright.
There's one there.
Oh, is there? There's two somewhere? There you go. Few wombats, is it? we saw a wombat. They get pretty excited about wombats, these folks here, who are from the city, I suppose. But yeah, pretty cool, I suppose. Pretty cool. Anyway, let's go back to the swag.
A few moments later.
Bye bye.